Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have TFUEL THETA FUEL daily update, so let's see where are we going after having a minor correction again. And before we begin guys, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have time for more, and you can cancel anytime you like. You get easy profits by automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to learn technical analysis. It's so important to hold your future in your hands, and many more guys. So join in right now, and of course join the Telegram group chat. We are a team, we are a community that grows together every day. Link is in the description down below. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. And now let's see the TFUEL, because right here we found a little bit resistance in the previous support line. You can see here this was a little bit above. There we go. This was a previous support line right here, and now it is like it is split in two halves, right? The one that we get resistance right now and the one that we had support between 35 and 41 cents. So what are we going to see in the next days, next hours? Okay, we will discuss about all of this later. Right now let's see the MACD. The MACD we couldn't get above the red line right here, so eventually we get a bearish cross guys and go beyond this support line. This won't be very good, right? We need to have higher lows and higher highs in the MACD. It is so important in the 4-hour frame. Therefore, we need a pattern like this, following in the blue line and of course followed by the signal line. We don't care so much about bearish crosses and of course bullish crosses, because in the 4-hour frame it is very healthy to have a bearish cross or a bullish cross. It is a healthy correction and a healthy bullish cross most of the times, right? In a normal market, that is not in an impulsive way. Okay, so therefore we need higher lows and higher highs. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame guys, in the commodity channel index, in the RSI, to see a little bit the stochastic RSI. Of course, as you know already, the 50-day EMA is our resistance line. Now we just didn't even find the 50-day EMA and we had a huge sell pressure. Now we're correcting due to Bitcoin's price action and because TFUEL can't outperform Bitcoin. Therefore guys, let's see a little bit the commodity channel index. We just didn't go even to an overbought situation. We stayed below minus 100, below this area right here, and now we are correcting all the way. The stochastic RSI was in an overbought situation though, so we had the risk of, according to this indicator, according to all the previous indicators guys, the commodity channel index and the RSI, we didn't have any risk at all, right? So therefore I would expect maybe if before we go and lose the 35 cents, maybe we have another pump up right here for TFUEL. It would be very good. I don't want to go beyond the 35 cents. I don't want TFUEL to go beyond the 35 cents as well, but it will be a great buying opportunity, right? If we go beyond 35 cents, we will probably reach out the 26. It will be a great buying opportunity there. So let's see now, and of course stochastic RSI is getting now into an oversold situation. Before I go to the daily frame, that you can see that we don't have anything yet from the SSL hybrid, not even a buying opportunity right here, not even a blue arrow for now. And if I open the Bollinger Bands, you can see that we are having the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands guys. You can see the angle, it is getting down right here. The moving average is getting down as well. This is not looking good, right? This is a bearish market, a very bearish market. After this impulsive wave right here, we had here the superstar candle, then we fell all the way down into the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so let's see a little bit the commodity channel index. You can see we are in an oversold situation right now again, and we can't keep going like this forever. All the times guys, technical analysis and the price action is a cycle, right? It's a cycle where we see some corrections, some pop-ups, and we can't keep going down forever. Okay, sometimes we have to go upwards, and we are just hoping that we go upwards before we lose the 35 cents as a support level. It's very crucial to do that, but you can see the RSI is falling down. It is having a descending wedge right here. It is forming a descending wedge, and of course we are having lower lows and lower highs. Let's see the stochastic RSI. It is in an oversold situation for quite some time right now. You can see it by yourselves, guys. We are here near the bottom. Okay, so therefore we need to see, and we need to see where are we going. Can we go above and remain above the 35 cents? We depend a lot on Bitcoin right now, because you can see that we can't keep going above this descending wedge. Lower lows, lower highs. 20-day EMA is our resistance level. You can see how smoothly the 20-day EMA has become our resistance level. It is like we know when we approach the yellow line, we just correct, right? You can see that on the TFUEL Bitcoin chart. And what that means, guys, is that eventually right now we are going into this major support level right here. Okay, so we are very close to it, and I would suggest that I personally believe that before we go all the way down, right, we just need a swing high from here. We need a swing high before we test and break down from this support level. It is a very crucial support level, because as you can see, it is holding the previous swing high there. Previous impulsive way, we corrected afterwards a little bit, then we just went up again, we correct again, and we just went upwards again. So right now we want to maintain above this blue line, and of course go above the 20-day EMA, right? It is very important, and I believe, guys, that we can do it, because we had lower lows and higher lows in the RSI. You can see that we were on a we had a bullish divergence on the RSI, and therefore on the commodity channel index as well, right? Higher lows, and therefore, guys, I do believe that we are soon going to have a swing high. Okay, so for now the MACD is a little bit indecisive, although it is going a little bit upwards right now. Tries to get more decisive, and it is for the best, okay, because the blue line is above the signal line and we don't go down, right? So therefore, let's see the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are about to get the 20-day EMA crossing down the 50-day EMA soon if we keep going down, right? So eventually we want to start forming a swing high right here. We even went down from 50-day EMA. You can see on the commodity channel index we are in an oversold situation. Not the same for the RSI as we fall down. And of course the MACD isn't looking so good, right? We have a bearish close right here, and we are falling down. The stochastic RSI is also at the bottom for so long. That's why sometimes, guys, the stochastic RSI cannot identify where is the bottom, right? Because we are at the bottom so long and we just correct right here. You can see that, so we can't go further down. And the stochastic RSI, sometimes it's good, sometimes for these situations, right, when you want to find a bottom, it is a little bit bad. So let's go to TFUEL USDT chart. You can see here, guys, that we are on a descending wedge right here for TFUEL, and of course right now we found the support level as a resistance level, as I've told you before, right here. Okay, so we have the 38.5 cents around there as a resistance level, which was previously a support level. So it is split in half between 35 cents and 41 cents. Now we are going down, we are having a descending wedge, and we are having the 50-day EMA as a resistance level. What can be done to change this is, of course, guys, first of all, we don't want to start outperforming a little bit Bitcoin as Bitcoin goes down. Okay, eventually we want to form a swing high as Bitcoin goes down, because that would mean that TFUEL won't drop to 35 cents and below, because as you can see, Bitcoin now is having a correction, right? You can see the 4-hour frame red candle right here. We are going down, and eventually we might even retest this support level right here around there and a little bit further down. I don't like this candle, guys, in my opinion. To be honest with you, I don't like this red candle, right? It is very bearish candle right here, and we might keep going a little bit down further. But of course, I won't say that we lost our position to go even higher, right? Not at all. We didn't lose any position to go even higher. We just corrected because we had an overbought situation right here in the 4-hour frame, in the commodity channel index. on the stochastic RSI as well, even though the RSI we didn't have that, but we look always the commodity channel index first. That's a #1 rule, right? And we don't want to lose now the higher low. This higher low that we formed on the RSI, we don't want to go further down for Bitcoin, and of course we don't want to go into an oversold situation because we might lose some significant support levels that we don't. For example, we don't want to lose the 32,700, right? It is a very strong support level, and if we lose that, then this won't be so good. Okay, so for now we are just observing the market, and of course we need TFUEL actually to have a swing high, TFUEL Bitcoin chart, guys, to have a swing high, so we don't drop down from 35 cents. Our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, look how important this Fibonacci retracement level is, guys. We don't want to close below. And of course, if we close below, then you already know that we have the 26 cents as a next support level for the midterm. I'm not saying that we might not do something like this and then go back, right? I'm just saying that on the midterm, if we close beyond the 35 cents, we will go probably to 26 cents, right? But for now, we are holding the 35 cents. This is the support level we want to hold, right? This is something that we should necessarily hold right now, and of course, get above the 38.5 to go to 41.4 cents. In the meantime, we just don't want Bitcoin to fall all the way down to 32,700 or so. And if TFUEL, guys, have again a significant swing high right here, and it acts like an impulsive wave, then we won't care where Bitcoin will go, right? We can think that TFUEL might be going even further upwards. For the time being, we had a very bearish candle right here, and of course, we just want to hold the 35 cents for now. It is so important to get out of the descending wedge with lower lows and lower highs. You can see here, after the correction of the 62 cents, we are now going a little bit down all the way. We're having a descending wedge, and we are testing the 35 cents, which is the most important one for now. So definitely, guys, if you are a new investor right now, you should observe, right? You shouldn't do anything for me, not a financial advice, but a personal advice. A friendly advice for you is to observe the market right now. Okay, so eventually I have already explained what you should do right there. If we go beyond the 35, you should buy more. If you are already in a loss, do not sell your position, right? If you are in a loss, just hold your coins and buy more as we go down. But even if you are in a loss, you want to observe the market too right now. Okay, so you want to observe the market, and you want to see eventually if we can go all the way further above the 38.5 and 35. Of course, we need to hold the 35 or we go down. Okay, so it is very important to see that. I think TFUEL Bitcoin is about to wake up. I don't think that we can go down from this line before we have a swing high, guys. I don't really think that, because in my experience, guys, I don't know if we can just form another bearish scenario right here and go all the way down before having another swing high. Not like this, of course. Okay, I'm not saying that we might have a swing high like this. I'm just saying that maybe if we go upwards and just stop right here, for example, okay, this would be great. Okay, this would be very good for now. But okay, let's be honest and be patient. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, so you just need to wait a little bit. Okay, and before I close in, hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content, and of course join our monthly subscription and the Telegram group chat. Links are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.